Hello everybody, I am here at Aerodef Symposium with Mr. Shaji from British Engineers Pvt Ltd. And he has come from all the way from Delhi to Bangalore to visit this Aerodef Symposium.
Yeah.
Thank you sir, thank you for coming here.
You're welcome.
So please tell us about your company, what do you do, what kind
Actually,
of components you are making?
I am working with British Engineers Pvt Ltd. This is a Delhi located company. Now we started another plant at IMT Manesar also. Here one ordered the Hermle machine.
Okay.
That's why we are here. I am here today.
You have ordered a Hermle machine.
Ordered from Hermle. That machine arrived around next year before March.
So why did you choose Hermle?
This type of C400 machine we are looking for. It's a different technology and it's construction wise, all is a very good machine. That's
What
why
kind of components you are making and which you think this Hermle machine will solve your problem?
we are making the component mainly for aerospace and simultaneously automotive also. Traditionally we are working with automotive component. Last 10 years we are doing aerospace also. Now 50% aerospace and 50% of automotive work. We have many challenge work from HAL. That's why we're looking for good machine. So you think C400 Hermle machine is a good machine, and we use hyperMILL from last more than 12 years, 10 years.